So, a very good morning to all the viewers who are watching my video at present. This is Niasis Party from the team of Mission Eyes. So, as you all know that on the on extra day itself, Wednesday day itself, a law has been passed. 5 laws has been passed. Among that, so the pass of education which UN plays a very important role in the present scenario. So, when it comes to know about education, then we should have to refer which kind of policies are being implemented. If we discuss about different kinds of policies which are being implemented, then everyone will stick upon one thing: what is NEP, what is National Education Policy, right? So under National Education Policy, what are the different initiative which has been taken by the government? So all the things are been relating, all the things are been discussed, all the things are been notified in the August 5 editorial page. So when we discuss a language ladder for education roadmap, so yes, it's a very important topic or a very important thing in reference to the GS paper 1. Okay, so it is usually given to the political reference, right? So politics, usually we can say that. So usually referring to GS paper 1 for the UPSC civil service examination, it is prior important for everyone to learn what are the different initiative which has been taken by the government of India in the field of education. So when we discuss in the field of education, then the foremost thing is what about science. Yes, education which usually delivers with science. Why? Not only I cannot say it is all delivers with science education, but it also delivers with humanities as well as commerce too. So when we discuss about science, so usually government has taken initiative in pursuing 15 to 11 Indian language or the commercial regional language which has been included in the engineering subjects. So all about that. Okay, so 14 engineering, yeah, it is all about 14 engineering college along 8 states of the offers to course regional language to be selected. Okay, so different regional language to be selected in different universities, in different colleges which are being approved by AICTC. Okay, All India Engineering Service Examination, All India, we can say that All India Council or All India Council for Technical Education. Okay, so it is all about AICTC which has been approved regional language to be included in the field of education. Okay, in the field of education in engineering. Okay, so this is how the government has been passed. So it has been implemented, or you can say that a resolution which has been taken by the vice president of our India, Venkaya Naidu. Okay, so the dreams of many Indian students seeking to pursue professional courses in their mother tongue can be released. Okay, so it's a very great initiative, very great news under education policy of 2020, where many of the students will be learning in their own mother tongue. Wow, it's really great news for everyone who are even studying abroad or who are studying inside India. So what is the main objective? What is the objective of implementing these regional languages? So here it's again even the president, or you can say the prime minister or the vice president, even has signified, okay, has even given a very great example of how, okay, of how we can even implement, or how the 14 engineering colleges which has been implemented in 8 state to release these courses. Okay, so it's a very great initiative which has been taken, right? So yes, it's a very great initiative which has been taken by the government of India. Okay, so when we discuss about what is the main objective, or we can say that aim, so the future of succeeding generation. Okay, so getting the knowledge, getting the engineering degree, or getting the sufficient knowledge, or you can say the sufficient information in every related subject in their own mother tongue. Wow, it's really great news, right? So we'll be learning everything, we'll be learning a detailed explanation about how we are implementing this circuits. Based upon engineering degree, we are dealing with different kinds of circuits, gadgets, information of you can, if we are going for IDs, then we are going for different programmings. So everything will be represented in the, or be said, or we can say that or be given lectures in different mother tongue or the regional language. It's really a great example of how we are diversely affecting uh, our religion or you can say that diversely implementing our different procedural advancement, right? What is procedural advancement? Might be confusing, right? What is procedural advancement? It is all about giving importance to different regional languages, which has been also been constituted in the Constitutional Embodiment Act of really means everyone has their own fundamental duties or fundamental rights to implement, to say, or to be educated. Okay, so it has been also been implemented in the fundamental duties of 11th, okay, 11th fundamental duties, which is even been implemented in a Constitutional Embodiment Act of 2002. Okay, that's 81st Constitutional Embodiment Act of 2022. So okay, to 2002. So very very important, right? So it's even placing a very important role, showing the way. Okay, when we discuss about the second most topic, which is all about showing the way, so what is, how it is usually showing a way to different students who are gaining their education in this platform. So when we discuss about all the stuff, then we have to know that the languages which has been implemented by AICTC under National Education Policy, they are Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Gujarati, Malayalam, Bengali, Assami, Punjabi, and Odia, my mother tongue. Okay, it's really a great gesture which has been taken, or a great we can say that great policy, a great scheme or features which has been taken by the new education minister, the new education minister. Who is the new education minister? Or we can say that who is now the education minister of India. So he is Dharmendra Pradhan, who is before he is a petroleum minister, now he is the new education minister, minister of education. Okay, the before Dharmendra Pradhan, the new education minister was Ramesh Poirkar. Okay, so all the information you should have to keep, because it is all about general awareness. So we have to give prior importance to both the fields, right? Then only we can crack the examination in our very first attempt. So based upon all the things we should have to keep in mind. Okay, so then after Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in his head as marking the first anniversary of the National Education Policy in 2002, which usually has featured different which usually has been featured different kinds of implemented rules, regulation features, silent features, and we can say the policies and different kinds of schemes significance which has been implemented by the new education policy, and under which the AICTC has also been improved his education learning skills. Okay, so it's a great advancement. It's a really a great pleasure for all the students who belongs to their mother tongue, who has gained their secondary as well as primary secondary education from their own district, from their own languages. It's a really great opportunities to handle. Okay, so over how many students? 8,000, so 83,000 students, nearly 44% of students has even voted for this regional language. Because even if I give an example, okay, if I give an example of how I usually been educated, then many of my students or many of my fellow mates who are been graduated in engineering from different branches have joined the university in different languages, because till their secondary education they did not even have prior knowledge in English, right? So more still now most of the universities are affecting the students criteria of learning, how they are been affecting to handling the Western education style of learning, right? So these things are usually making a vital place in learning and gathering and fetching. So the students who have joined from other colleges who are having their regional language as their priority, or as their first priority, so whenever they are coming to join in the engineering, they are even more suffering, right? Most of the intellectual, intelligent, knowledgeable students are even failing. So what is the reason? Because they are unable to catch the subject which are been written in English, the books which are been written in English. So the first and foremost thing the government should have to do is to include, it's a great initiative, and to write and to implement the books even which are in English, to implement in the languages which are being implemented by the government of India, to be educated to the students in the engineering or All India Council of Technical Education. Okay, so this plays a very important role, right? So then after the, we can say that there are bubbles now. What are the bubbles usually? Means difficulties which usually been faced. Means see, everything has its own advantage and disadvantage. So every policy has its own advantage and disadvantage, right? So whenever we are going to discuss about advantage, that is a very great future, very great fruitful things which are been there in the advantage part. Whenever we are going to discuss about disadvantage part, everyone will stick at that, everyone will pointify that. So what are the different bubbles usually? It would be pertinent to recall the words of great Indian physics novelist C.V. Raman, who demonstrating the extreme vision which I observed, we must teach science in our mother tongue, otherwise science will become high high bow activities. So it's a very great example, right? So in engineering degree, whenever we are going to discuss, then it's a great advancement if we discuss about C.V. Raman. Okay, C.V. Raman, who is a foremost scientist and Nobel Prize winner, so in physics. So in his views, mother tongue should be implemented in all languages. If it is not been implemented, then the science is just like gaining the knowledge in western style, or gaining the information in western education, right? So we should have to understand in both the regional as well as in both the cultural, not, we cannot say cultural, learning the things both regionally and westernly. Okay, it's a great pleasure for all the students, right? Where C.V. Raman has also been illustrated in his one of the speech, we can even say that. Okay, uh, then after we can even make different kinds of roadmaps, you can say roadblocks, implementing the progress of various vast majority of the progress. So once a policy has been implemented, it's even more difficulty for everyone to comes into existence or to comes into functioning, right? To come into functioning, it takes a lot of time. So whenever we are implementing policy, whenever we are implementing things, it takes time to get its own track, to get its own path. Okay, so this is how usually it has been practiced. Okay, so global practices, whenever we are discussing a global practices, then a friend who is even staying far apart from us, even even I have met him from Singapore. So I even asked him, he is also a engineering graduate. So I even asked him, so in which language you have been studying? So he usually said, in my own languages, which is their language. He used to prefer that, and he used to study that. Even in our India, we are implementing, or we are implementing different books in English rather than in Hindi. Even Hindi, the national language of India, is not been implemented in the IICT's course. So this is really a great gesture, a great policy under the national education policy of 2020, right? We can say that. So the foremost thing, that the step the government should have to take, that he or the government also should have to implement this regional language in medical science too, because nowadays we even know that how the country is passing. Okay, so these things will definitely elaborately, we can say that, improve the collectivity of knowledge in different schools, in different schools, as well as in different in different minds of students who are gaining their education in the field of engineering. Okay, so I hope that you have got an idea about how usually the ladder of education or roadblock usually pursuing students career or students professional degree in engineering by these languages. It's a great initiative which has been taken by Dharmendra Pradhan, who is the new education minister of India. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks a lot. I hope that you have enjoyed the session of editorial page. Hope to meet you soon in my next video. Till then, thank you. Thanks a lot.